Most students get this BODMAS question wrong. Let me show you why. 15 minus 3 will give you what? 12. 2 plus 3 will give you 5. 5 squared is 25. So 12 multiplied by 25 will give you what? 300. But you are wrong. Following BODMAS rule, it says that you have to first of all do the bracket first squared before any other thing. So 2 plus 3 will give you what? 5. 5 squared, you have 3 minus 15. 5 squared will give you what? 25. 3 multiplied by 25 will give you what? 75. Then 15 minus 75 will give you what? Minus 60. So the right answer to this particular problem is minus 60. Then coming to question 2, question 2 says 8 plus 6 divided by 3 multiplied by 4. You still have to follow the BODMAS rule. That is why some students fail, because they go straight to the point without understanding the question. BODMAS is one of the easiest calculations you can do so far if you calm down and follow the BODMAS rule. But once you rush it, you are likely to make mistakes. So 6 divided by 3 will give you what? 2 multiplied by 4 will give you what? 8. Plus 8. 8 plus 8 will give you what? 16. So the right answer to this particular problem is 16. Because you have to first of all do the division. Secondly, you multiply, and finally you add. This is BODMAS Mistakes, episode 2. Follow so that you won't miss episode 3. I help you to be able to pass your WAEC JAM exam so that you can have that kind of score you want. If you want to make A's, these are bonus questions that you can be able to address, they can be able to answer freely, because this kind of problem, I see them as bonus. I don't know why a student will fail this kind of simple calculation. Now, can you try this? Let me know what your answer is in the comment section.